Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you are good. So today we are going to discuss about geometrical proofs of algebraic identities. So algebraic identities, here these are the algebraic identities. So first one, x plus y whole square, that is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Next one, x minus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. And third one, x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. X plus a into x minus b is equals to x square plus ab into x plus ab. So third one, x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is our first geometrical proof of algebraic identity, that is x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So first draw a line. The length of this line is equals to x. Extend it up to y. So this small part length is y. So similarly draw a line of length x plus y. So the area of this total square is equals to x plus y whole square. Because of area of square is equals to x square, the side of the square is x plus y. Here is also x plus y. So the total area of this square is equals to x plus y whole square. Join here y to y. So here is also y to y. Then we get two squares, that is equals to x square and y into y square, and also two rectangles, that is equals to x into y. The area of this rectangle is equals to, here the area of rectangle is equals to x into y, because of area of rectangle formula L into b. So here length is equals to y and width is equals to x. Here is also length is equals to x, width is equal to y. So area of this rectangle is equals to xy or yx. This one is also xy or yx. So area of total square is equals to x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus xy and again plus xy. So finally the result is x square plus y square, x plus y and again x plus y is equals to 2xy. This is the geometrical proof of first algebraic identity. So our next geometrical proof of algebraic identity, that is x minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So here we can draw a square with the length of side is equals to x. So this is also x. Subtract a length of y from total length x, that is equals to, so the length of y is equals to this portion. So the length of this total side is equals to x minus y. Here is also x minus y. Here join y to y and y to this point. So here the area of this square is equals to x minus y whole square, and area of this rectangle is equals to x into y, and area of this rectangle is equals to length into breadth, that is equals to x minus y into y. So we know that the total area of square is equals to x into x, that is equals to total area is equals to x square. We required a small amount of piece, that is equals to x minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square is equals to total area minus the summation of these two rectangles. So x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus xy plus y into x minus y, that is equals to x square minus xy plus x into y it is nothing but x into y or y into x. So plus into minus, minus y into y square, that is equals to x minus y minus of xy and again xy, that is equals to 2xy minus y square minus y square. So x square minus into plus minus 2xy minus into minus plus y square. So this is the final result. This is the geometrical proof of our second identity, that is equals to x minus y whole square. So our geometrical proof of algebraic identity, this is the third one. So x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. So this is the figure of given identity. So here the length of the total side is x. This is also x. So area of total square is equals to x into x, x square. This is the total area of square. So we have to remove a small amount of square from inside this total square, that is equals to y square. So this small piece area is y square. So area of y square is a part of x square. This is a part of total area. So this total side is equals to x. Remove the small amount of length, that is equals to y. So side is x minus y. Because of total length is equals to x, we have to remove small amount of length, that is equals to y. So here the length of this side up to this point is x minus y. So the area of this rectangle is equals to x into, because of total length of the side is x, x into breadth is equals to x minus y, x minus y. Here is also the length of this side is equals to x minus y. The length of this side is equals to x minus y up to this point. This one is also opposite side is also equal length, that is equals to x minus y. So area of this rectangle is equals to y into x minus y. So similarly, here the total area of square is equals to small square plus rectangle again plus rectangle. So y square transpose, that is equal to x square minus y square. We say that x minus x square, the area of total area is equals to x square minus y square is equals to, alternatively we write it as summation of these two rectangles, that is equals to x into x minus y and y into x minus y. Here x minus y is common, remaining terms are here x and here y. So our algebraic identity x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, hence proved. So this is the geometrical proof of our fourth identity, that is equals to x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus a. So we have to draw a rectangle. The dimensions are x. The length of this side is x and remaining one is a. So length of the total side is x plus a. Here is also the length of this side is equals to x. Here the length of the side, both are same. Here is also x, here is also x. So x extension is b. This small part length is b. So the area of the total rectangle is equals to length into breadth, that is equals to x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. Here the length of a is not equals to length of b. So join a to a, join this point to this point. So we can get one square and three rectangles. So the area of total rectangle is equals to summation of one square and three rectangles, that is equals to x square plus ax plus bx or xb plus ab. So x square plus here x is common, x into remaining terms are a plus b plus ab. This is the final result. So students, this is the geometrical proof of our last identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. So first we have to draw a line of length, that is x, extend up to y and up to z. So similarly, the length of this side is equals to x plus y plus z. So the area of total square is equals to a into a, the length of the side into length of the side, that is equals to a square. So x plus y plus z whole square. So join a line, this point to y and this point to z. So the length of the sides here is also z and this one is y. Similarly, the length of this side is equals to y and z. So extend lines y to y and z to z. The area of total square is equal to summation of these squares, x square, y square, z square, these three squares plus again these 6 rectangles. What are they? The rectangles are xy and xy, xz and xz, yz and yz. So the area of total square is equals to these 3 squares, summation of these 3 squares and 6 rectangles. So the total area of this square is equals to x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, and 6 rectangles are plus xy plus xy plus yz plus yz plus xz plus xz. So that is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, xy plus xy 2xy, yz plus yz 2yz, zx plus zx 2zx.